Good morning, Pit Boss Nation. I hope you got a hot cup of coffee. I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feasts. Today, we are firing up this Pit Boss grill to cook a one-pan brunch. It's got hash browns, sausages, eggs, cheese, veggies, and a little kick. So let's go inside, prep up these ingredients, because today on Backyard Bosses, we're doing brunch. For this recipe, I used an oversized baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper on top. I grabbed a package of breakfast sausages uncooked and laid them sporadically all over the baking sheet. Next, I grabbed a bag of frozen hash browns. You can find these in the freezer aisle. Open the bag and generously pour them all over the pan. I like to make sure that everything's coated and evenly distributed. You could even use tater tots for this, or even fresh cut small potatoes, whatever works for you. I find this convenient because I have them on hand in my freezer all the time. Dice up a small onion. I happen to have red on hand, so that's what I used, but I typically use a nice big yellow onion. Dice up a pepper or whatever's left in your fridge. This recipe is a great way to clean out the fridge, but I had one orange bell pepper that I diced up. Now let's talk about this cowboy butter rub. This rub is amazing. It's got a little bit of kick and so much flavor. Generously sprinkle that over everything. I'm thinking this is about 2 tablespoons of rub. But coat everything nice and evenly, and then it's ready for the grill. We're gonna preheat this Pit Boss grill to 350 degrees and let it warm up. Now it's time to get it on the Pit Boss. Place the baking sheet on the center of the grill. That way it cooks evenly. We've got the grill set at 350 degrees and we're gonna go for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna add some eggs. This Pit Boss Titan is doing all the work and everything smells and looks amazing. This is about 15 minutes into the cook. At this point, I would recommend checking on everything and grabbing a spatula so we can mix it all up and it can cook more evenly. That way you don't end up with a burnt side of anything and the outside is cooked as much as the inside. The one thing I will recommend doing when you're mixing this up at this point is create little pockets just like that so you have somewhere to crack those eggs next time we open it. Now they say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. Soon enough, we'll throw some eggs on. Now I keep talking about adding eggs, and all yolks aside, I mean jokes, we've got some farm fresh eggs ready for this grill. I would crack 1 to 2 eggs per person for your servings. They can go anywhere in there, but I like to create the little pockets. Crack those eggs and let them do their thing. At 8 minutes, you'll have an over easy egg. But, of course we need cheese. You're gonna grab 2 cups of shredded cheese and generously sprinkle it all over the entire sheet pan. I mean, it ain't easy being cheesy, but this really takes it up a level when you sprinkle that cheese and let it melt on top for the last 2 to 3 minutes. We are about 35 minutes into this cook, and I am telling you, it's definitely time to make another pot of coffee because we are almost ready to eat. This smells amazing. And that's it, 40 minutes, and this one-pan wonder is ready to be served. Look at how incredible this is. Simple, easy, garnish with some fresh chives or parsley, and serve it up. Maybe with some hot sauce or some ketchup on the side. Everybody will get a scoop of what they want. It is simple, easy, and totally delicious. And Pit Boss Nation, there's only one thing left to do. Eat it. Now it's your turn to be the backyard boss and make this recipe for your family. Spice it up with some jalapenos or add in some salsa. Maybe even slice some avocado on top. The possibilities are endless with your Pit Boss grills. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the Pit Boss Griddles channel and turn your notifications on so you get updates every time a new recipe comes out. I'm Steph Foster with Foster Feasts, and this is Backyard Bosses, Brunch Edition.